So happy Independence Day, Nigeria. I know most people will not agree with this, but then happy Independence Day, sha. Even vendor wey dey scam person for Instagram, they put am for status say what are we celebrating? Really? No blame you. So really, we don't really have to wait for the government to make things right for us. Let's just behave as if it will be orphan for this Nigeria. Like those people that their parents they've lost their parents and everything, they know they survive. So just leave government out of this. Like let's try to make at least things work out for us as human beings. These same people that are posting what are we celebrating, they will see an accident victim, everybody will japa. The only thing they will do is record. You will see police affect harassing your fellow this thing. The only thing you can do is record, and then you come and say what are we celebrating. Really, the change starts from us. It starts from me and you. It's not until one go, even if government actually make things right and everything, the wickedness inside our hearts and cup. But you know, few days ago, their earpiece allegedly, see the way they twisted their customer and everything. Earpiece na government. Then another one again, one other airline, I don't know wetin be the name sef, yazam abi wetin abi max here. They allegedly wanted to throw out a passenger just because she complained of the late flight. That one to na government, and most of you will be like, okay, maybe they are doing it because they know government will not do anything and kinikon. Must you always do something for the fact that nobody will hold you responsible for it? Must you as a person try to oppress another person, be frustrate another person just because you know that you will not be accountable for it, and then you keep blaming Nigerian government at this Nigerian government? They be human being too. We can actually make things work within us, between us, making things right. We don't necessarily have to like blame the government for everything. Within us, how we treating each other. People that actually, I really do not like when people actually talk down on Nigeria. Like it irritates me. And as most of my friends know, I was saying if you actually keep talking down on Nigeria, like I'll stop talking to you. What have you as a Nigerian? What have you actually even done? So actually, is it until you wait the government to come and do something? Look at the one that happened recently with the airpiece. Gistlover was like, people should repost. How many people reposted? I was the first person to repost it. Oshom. And then like, wait, with the amount of people wey be say they follow Gistlover, nobody could actually repost it. I was the first person to actually repost it. Before so when everybody wey I know you say in reach 5. But if it was when Gistlover say people should go and torment Bobrisky now, see everybody on his page calling the kidney really, and you say well nothing is working in Nigeria. When you yourself the government are not magicians. They are not magicians. The change starts with me and you. And then the ones that used to annoy me most is those people that are outside the country. And when you know bad, they all shit you. They don't say what type of people celebrating. I beg. Especially those ones where they collect green paper. Face where you dey. Leave us for where we dey. Leave us for where we dey. Nigeria is this like thank you. Just face your US or be UK, be Canada. Face am. Leave us where we dey here. Leave us. I really don't like when people talk consistency and because that they don't want to show your point. When they actually talk down Nigeria is this, Nigeria is silicon. If I don't going to help us, what about my go George Siwaleti? Please, happy birthday, Nigeria. I don't even know maybe Nigeria be Nigerians. We really do not have to wait for the government to actually and don't come and say because nobody will hold you accountable for that, so you will do anything that you like, do whatever you like. Nobody is happy with everything that is going on. But as a normal human being, we're supposed to actually even care about each other. If the government actually say the love that exists between us, the solidarity then say they want to sit up, but no, we will keep fighting ourselves, doing all this thing, doing that one. You're telling me that what have we achieved? So that's just it though. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, happy anniversary. So you don't have to wait for the government to come and answer for you. Answer for yourself. So Jerry, today we'll be making one very simple easy meal. I actually saw this recipe when I was in Abakaliki. East. Though the thing I almost wanted to tempt me to buy food from this food, I was like, no, never. I'm not gonna do this. So that's why I said to recreate this. So now I'm actually I'm boiling my lemon now. This is actually a very, very easy recipe. Even at Chelsea and Kiniko, all those where they shop politician money, they will still come and post. Nothing is working in this Nigeria. Really? Really? So here's my onion. I'm just going to slice it. So one thing why I actually like this recipe is the fact that you can cook with anything you have. Like this one is just like hungry man, like food on a budget kind of thing. Like sharp to the. So here's my tomatoes. So you can decide to just use anything you like. And just like my tiny. You can use only pepper, and I'm sure like that woman actually used only pepper, only scotch bonnet pepper. But since I don't have enough scotch bonnet. For me, I actually really like it onion. Understand? Sometimes I don't even understand the shapes of some onions. So this is cooked. It's not cooked yet. So as I said, guys, oil is not coconut oil is now expensive. So now I use palm oil. And that's one of the reasons why I actually really like this recipe. So when it's kind of medium hot, I'm going to be adding my onion. Let me change the distance. Should not cut this one, Mary. This one that looks long. Maybe an advocate of rain. You should. So really me, I don't really have this thing. Even when you patronize a vendor and then you complain of a particular service, they will tell you that is that why you are shouting on top of 1 month? I don't understand. Nigerians are something else. Really something else. Imagine my so cute. Shorts. Okay. And don't forget our signature. What is a native food without crayfish? Tell me. So remember growing up, we used to eat yam and palm oil, right? So instead of using just plain palm oil, why not try this too? Okay, you can see it's ready in less than 2 minutes. And then let's check on our yam. And let's turn up like this. The one thing I actually like doing, the one thing I like doing is I really just like adding margarine to my yam. Just like it. It gives it this type of bluish, you know. But you can skip it if you want. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. Say somebody that actually lives in Nigeria, travels outside the country to go and be doing crime. Now government push you to go do that one. Now government push you to go do that one. I mean, you know, see your mates with they also legitly. See Dubai now, they've already blocked us. People know they come again. If you are 44, unless you are 44 years old. Now government push you go do that one. We're actually the problem of ourselves. It's not about testing. So once I feel that one is safe, I'm just going to drain out the water. So guys, our October 1st yam recipe is ready. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumb up. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. Nigeria is everything. Say somebody that maltreats its or housemaid for a living. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. Say somebody that you see somebody having accident victim, you cannot stop and help. The only thing you can do is video. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. You will see police harassing your fellow Nigeria. You will just walk up past as if nothing happened. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. Kini now you dey scam person for Instagram. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is this. You will collect visa. God will help you collect visa. You travel outside the country, and then the only thing you have to offer is to be scamming people up and down. Now Nigerian government follow you go outside Nigeria to go dey scam people. Is it Nigeria? Look Dubai now. They don't lock us say, "Mo no enter this country again," unless you are 44 years and above. Now Nigeria, if you go, they do this thing. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is yet the only thing you do for a living is Yahoo, and then your excuse is you don't have a job, you don't have a kid. Some of these people, when they do many jobs, they get two heads. No, but because say you want ride Ferrari, we your grandpapa no even get. We know. we'll just just gonna stick our pepper sauce. So now let's test how much we've created. So guys, like this video. Please subscribe button. That's my YouTube channel. And happy Independence. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see my next video. Thanks for watching.